I did it, guys. I built the most expansive Powermove program ever. Welcome to the Powermove Academy. Now, the Powermove Academy is a Netflix-like streaming platform with the most expansive video library ever. There's literally a follow-along video for everything. You have no idea how deep this goes. Now, the interface is really simple. Just like Netflix, you can just scroll around and find something you like, or you can use the search tool to find the specific video that you need at your level. What an age we live in, right? Every video was carefully engineered, designed, and even tested on my own students to make sure the training sessions are fun, but most important of all, productive. Each video starts out accessible with easy exercises, building step by step towards the more challenging phases of whatever move you're practicing. And the great thing is, every time you come back to a video and try these exercises out again, you probably get further and further throughout the video. So you can feel and notice real progression over time. Now, the production level is top tier. Structured and clear exercises in the video, original and quality soundtracks for you to practice on, and the whole goddamn thing looks like it comes from a b-boy's dream somewhere in the future. Now, I know the idea of training with a follow-along video at home might be pretty new for a lot of people, especially the more experienced people. However, it's definitely worth a try because even the most difficult and rarest power moves, variations, and transitions can be found in the Powermove Academy. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate b-boy that's been breaking 3 or 4 years, or you're an absolute pro looking for some new moves, some new techniques, then Coach Sambo's Powermove Academy is what you need. It literally has everything for everyone. So head on over to powermoveacademy.com where you can try a few videos out for free, or don't lose time and just sign up right now. Peace.